Okay, y'all, it is finally time to get a new couch and renovate my living room. This was so special to me because we had furniture that was like passed down or that was really cheap off Marketplace. Except for that one little TV stand. My aunt did buy me that as a housewarming present. But we have grown so much in this little house and it's so exciting to finally get nice furniture. And then when we build our new house, I can take all the nice furniture with me and it's not so big of an expense. But anyway, I got a couch from 25 Home and I have got to show y'all. I've already gotten so many comments and compliments on it. It is so nice. I'm obsessed. It's this air leather material, so it feels like leather, but it's also not as like cold and hard as leather, if that makes sense. There were these latches on the bottom to keep it together, so it was super easy to put together. And the inside is like foam and feathers. Like, it is the most comfortable couch I've ever sat on. I was a little worried because it like looks a little small in the pictures, but it is actually ginormous. And it's just the perfect size for our little family. And I am so obsessed with my living room now. Like, all we do is lay in there and watch movies at night. It's so cozy, so comfortable. I'm gonna link it in my link tree, I think it's called. But I'm gonna be decorating for Christmas soon and I can't wait to like get on the couch and watch Christmas movies all day. I'm so obsessed and I think it's safe to say that my dogs love it too.